Hello, I'm Chef Jason, and welcome to the Great Australian Bite, where we share all things culinary, including history, stories, and recipes. So please don't forget to subscribe and join in on the adventure. Welcome, it's day 10 of our sourdough starter. We're going to have a look at see where we're at. We're going to get these two little starters down here. Have a see what we're going to do. We're going to do something a little exciting today. But we'll let you in on that when we start the feeding. We've had a little rise, you can see on the side there. So we've got some movement there. Definitely, you see those bubbles there. That's definitely something going on in there. Oh yeah, you can definitely see that now. So that's feeding really, really well now. So this is day 10. I said after day 10 we want to start seeing some consistency going on now. So I think that's what we're going to start getting now. Some really consistent rises. So by day 14, hopefully, then we can start thinking about using this. But right now, we're going to take these two little ones in for a feed, and also something a little special too. I'll let you know when we get in there. Okay, all right, we're going to be doing something a little interesting today. We were going to be doing a feed as per normal. First, we're going to discard some of our sourdough as per usual. Oh yeah, I can actually hear that. If you can hear your sourdough or the bubbles in the sourdough when you're doing this, that means you've got a really good sourdough going on right now. So that's more than enough right there. Let's do this one. The smell is there. So yeah, everything's come back. Now listen to this. See if you can hear this. You hear those bubbles? So yeah, that's doing really well. All right, and put that in there. All right, and we're going to give them a quick feed. I'm back doing the unbleached all-purpose flour. Remember to use unbleached, not going to make that mistake again. Here we go. Get in there. Some water. Going to mix it up. Put that down. We'll do the other one now. Mix this one up. Oh, I made a bit of a mess there. Oh no. That's alright to make a mess every now and then. Making a mess just means you're busy, right? Here we go. Mix this one up now. Get all that flour mixed in. Now, I did say earlier on that we're going to do something a bit different. Many of you may have noticed these little crusty bits you see around the corner that you're going to get. Little bits of dried up sourdough you get on the corner there. So yeah, we're going to take care of that today. What we're going to do, I'll just put my hands down. You may have noticed we've got a larger jar here. We're now going to put both of these into this jar. So what can happen around here after between day 8 to 10? Bacteria is going to start forming, and you're going to have a good chance of getting mold on this. So we've got to be very, very careful now. Make sure we have a nice clean jar for our starter. So what I'm going to do is we're going to start spooning that, both jars. Now this is the other reason, that's a good reason. I'm getting a bigger jar because obviously I have the two starters. But yeah, my backup now seems to be working pretty well as my first starter. So I'm just going to put them both into this jar now. And I'll get as much as we can without making too much of a mess. Get all of it down the bottom there, all that good stuff in the bottom. There we go. All this stuff in there now. Okay, as much as what I'm going to get in there. Okay. Alright, you just clean on the outside here. There we go. Perfect. Alright, so I'm going to get our marker again. I'm just going to put that on the side there. Nice and even. That's where our sourdough currently is. Okay. I'm going to have a look at this again tomorrow, see what it's doing. Okay, so these, what was once 2 younglings is now grown into 1 youngling now. So we're going to put this one to bed. This is day 10, so tomorrow will be day 11. And I'm going to put the date, the original date, which I do believe, oh, where is the original one? It was the 11th of May we first put this on. So 5/11/26. So that was the start day, and we will see you again tomorrow for day 11.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button and feel free to leave a comment below. Also, don't forget to check out our other content as well. This is Chef Jason, and don't forget, love is the secret ingredient.